Hey everybody, this is Reed at Polaris of the Black Hills, just showing you some cool tech. We just got these 360 work lights in. I thought they were too cool to not share. So whether you're doing a DIY project at your house, you know, painting one of your rooms in your house, whether you like doing stuff in the shop or your mechanic at home, there's a couple different settings. We can do like a bluer light or a more of a white light. Intensities of light, spins off the tripod. Hook or magnets. Tri-Mobile is the name of this particular light. I think I'm gonna get a set for my garage just for working on stuff. My wife likes to paint every room in our house, so it'd be nice for her to have some extra lighting on there. A couple other applications for it. Construction for those DIY mechanics, camping. Pretty cool, if you ask me. And then they got tents set up for this image, lighting up the campgrounds. These are about 120 bucks. Thought they were too cool not to share.